The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Rondi Pottinger.
Lock and load.
Yeah, carrot more, you know.
Yeah. And then I gotta mash up things. Yes, and it's a regular day I do this Harden every time.
Yeah, which is
a regular,
right, you know?
yeah, this is a regular
man,
thing.
Regular basic, you know, we just run some fat, you know.
Always I run
Call it boat, you know, in Kingston. We call it yacht or ship.
Yeah. So it's a regular thing, the money I run boat.
Boat run, see it, yeah?
Not ship,
Not
boat.
ship, boat.
Every day.
Every day is something, man. And once you have life, you never stop cook. See what I go on in a bag,
Yeah.
This we have some chicken back. And you don't know where I mix this something with little chicken, because no people don't too like the back something, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why we are trying to mix
the chicken with the chicken back.
With the chicken back.
Oh.
And we are going for something else, man, make you see what I go on, man.
Yeah. Then.
Yeah, you know, clean up the chicken back.
Yeah.
No, so it can get ready for cook, you know.
Yeah. Chicken back.
Which is real Jamaica style, you see it?
Jamaica style.
Yeah, man. Nah, left for all time chicken back, you know.
Yeah, can't be some all time chicken back.
Yeah, man.
Mix with a little piece of chicken, see you.
Oh gosh, man, talk no man, you think a beer chicken you eat while a chicken back.
Yeah. Yeah. That was school a boy go?
You know him go Laura's basic school over doing the park.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's like doing the park and that's
Over so.
about 20 minutes from here, so.
Yeah, around 20 minutes from here.
Yeah. Not good still, so at least you're still there, them life, see me.
Yeah, we have to make sure so everything work, you know.
Yeah.
You see, we got trouble, you know.
Yeah, true.
So, we have to make sure so everything work. We can't go there. See, there's a Kino Mackerel, like, you don't know, you're not to eat meat, you know, so you have to go down and consume a road.
Yeah. So,
yeah.
So, you know, I don't mind, I love mackerel and dumpling.
Yeah, mackerel and dumpling, but yes, if I'm not mackerel and dumpling, I'm a dumpling and chicken back. And you say if we can't afford the mackerel and the chicken back, we'll go with little butter.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you the style when the butter bubble.
Yes.
Take out one flour and show you what I go on and say, yo, so we deal with it, man.
Yeah,
I don't know, sometimes we can't afford the mackerel and the chicken back, you know, so either butter and rice or butter and flour, you know. Till we can afford the right something, you know.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Right away.
Yeah, man.
In the kitchen.
So they name classic mackerel. So I'm gonna say which Jamaican remember this classic mackerel?
The rich, the poor, everyone, middle class. Who never remember the classic mackerel?
Throw a little vinegar in it too. Get it the real way. Sorry, I can't know how this splash up here.
Good man. No cutting board, Harden.
No, I have a cutting board in there, but you don't know we're talented enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see that?
Yes.
We don't need cutting board.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have strong black man, you know.
Yeah.
What's never have cutting board, or the meat cut up?
Yeah. Need cutting board,
No.
I'm sure the skills and the craft
Yeah.
we have. Made cheap.
Just remember, I'm not getting a carrot. I have to put one in there still, you know. That is good. Mummy call you.
So we get the helping on ya. So we get the helping on ya.
Alright, all that dog you must sleep. We just wake up feeling like that.
We get just weak.
Yeah. Come on, come buy 2 numbers still and see dog you must do them thing.
Good life. Tell them.
Come on, that's what nice together. What is that?
Black. How are this, my general?
Saltfish.
Saltfish.
Saltfish, them thick and look good,
Yeah. Oh, so you also a saltfish?
Yeah.
Yeah. Introduce yourself.
You know, some of the saltfish, man,
Yeah. Saltfish. A saltfish alone you also?
Saltfish, Irish, onion, everything.
Okay.
But the more specialized in saltfish,
Oh, in a saltfish.
Yeah. Like the people them love.
Hockey and saltfish. Right on it. Sure. Hard feed. Yeah, so the pot 2 ready, can you know chunks man there. Yes, my general. So where do you think now? The market or about the place?
About the place.
The original. People are this is the man that you hear him voice.
This is the man that you hear him voice.
And the journey to half a
The
tree.
journey to half a tree, you know. That's Spence, man. May I tell you, man.
Original taxi man.
Original taxi man.
Oh,
That's Spence.
Original sea view man too.
One love, my brother. One love.
Yeah.
Then not tell you, man, say, well, then right now, see, pot the pan fire, yeah, man, I go and bubble, man.
Yeah.
I'm sure, man, I say, I want some food for it because from 5 o'clock, me out in the street, you know.
But so early rise up,
Yeah, some rise, man, early, man. So right now, the instructor wants some food for eat, you know. Just tell you, me say roast breadfruit and
yeah.
me say Joe, original lucky and saltfish, me I tell you.
Yeah.
And me I tell you.
Man, like sir, Spencer. Original taxi man.
Yeah, man. Yellow
Taxi
yam,
firm.
soft yam, banana, dumpling, breadfruit, dashing, cocoa. And them food that we original I eat out in the jam down here, me I tell you, my brother.
Yeah.
Live and direct.
Live.
Yo, Sheriff!
Hot feet, yeah.
Where you have on the base here for eat?
Yeah.
You know, sir, get something ready up, because you don't know a whole day thing in a sir. You know, you can't serve me for food. Chicken back, jerk chicken.
Everything.
Everything where you want.
Alright, me circle you back then, you know what, my chef.
Yeah, man, you
So
know
right now,
And go back on the slavery.
I go back on the slavery. You hear me, sir?
Alright, cool, man, protection.
One love, my brother, one love. And the taxi man, this my brother.
Suspense, how we shoot your run?
From 3 miles to half a tree to Seaview Garden, you know, a 3 course me do a day.
3 courses a day?
Yeah, one from Seaviews to 3 miles, 3 miles to half a tree, back to 3 miles, back to Seaview.
Oh.
So you don't know, my brother.
So Spencer, come here.
On the slave again.
Spencer, tell them how much, Spencer. Tell them how much. Because they feel like you're very young, you know. So you're full of energy. Tell them how
At 65 this year, look for, you know, original taxi man, me I tell you now, you know.
Oh.
Live and direct, my brother.
65.
Yes, man, I'm me, man. Original Doc Spence, man.
Yeah.
Anyway, you see me, man, I hear about me, man. I'm me, the taxi man, not Jamaica, yeah, man.
Oh, yeah.
Love in Jamaica, me I tell you, my blood.
You're at feet and met the man so.
Yeah, man, you know what's up at half it up.
Oh, you
Tell him
don't
again.
know. You don't know. All right, my brethren.
Yeah.
Well, then I run the thing, yo, you see this here now? Yeah, man, cool, huh?
Alright, Spencer, say my circle back for you, pot half you.
Alright, so this here now, right now, I'm gonna deal with something for the chunks.
Yeah, man, because I don't want the chugs.
This is for the chunks. So I'm
Yeah.
gonna cook it up quick and just do it.
Yeah.
Let's see. You see me?
Oh, God. Come circle, driver pot.
Yeah.
Say now, but we on that man food.
Go Harden.
Chicken back and chicken.
Yeah, boy.
And the mackerel.
But I take a little longer, so now them for something really quick.
Oh, yeah, circle, driver.
Yeah, circle ash feet for something really quick before the pot. You know,
That
so
way, man,
nice.
find the menu.
Chunks, him say man run a piece of breadfruit I go take.
So we're saying vegetarian now. Yeah, I go back on the block.
Tell him so come, you wait upon that food. So you have 2 pots in the day, I shake. Yeah, start. Sherry, we have 2 pots in the day, you know, Sherry can. Introduce yourself to the good life world.
Great Pinky, you don't know.
Yeah.
Under the guava tree, I go and take it easy, though.
They say you're born and grown man from Nasi.
Original foundation.
Yeah.
She's right.
Yeah.
We get the day, so me I go and make new site, you know?
Oh, your day after today.
She's right.
Which way you work?
Great honey bun, man.
Oh.
Top baker.
Oh, you're a baker. Top baker.
She's right.
She's right. That's the one with the honey bun there. Hey, Jay.
Wow.
Yeah. Hey, man, big up yourself, see you, man.
You know me, G, you don't know.
Yeah. So where we
A good life, you see?
straight. So where you say, why them to see you, sir? Cause some say not nice, though. Tell them why nice.
Born in a niceness, man, and always nice.
Yeah.
Just 1 and 2, you don't know.
Yeah.
Them the up in the car nice.
Yeah. So you say nice.
Yeah, so nice.
So everybody can, they're more than welcome.
Welcome.
And see the niceness for themselves. Everything.
Don't know. Mother them on the fire and they are go and take it easy.
Where them there? Where them is?
Aye, you know?
Where's it? Mommy? Where's mommy?
Bleach could have done
Pot still a bubble.
Still a bubble.
Late pot. No, late boat.
Shakira, good life.
Good life. Still around a late pot and a good life.
late
isn't it? Late ship. Late boat. Late. But yo, it got dark same way. Eh? Yeah, man.
Stop!
Good life, right?
Them life they will live, man.
Yeah.
Good life.
Who is this? Me them know, introduce yourself, my Jenna.
Yeah, no, that's family. This.
That's the stammer.
You know?
Tell them why Steve you so nice.
Oh, guys, I will live a good life.
Yeah.
You mind with?
And every day.
Every single day, man. Every day.
But I know enough people think that Steve you are dumb.
So there's a big old pretty house, them. Big old pretty house, them.
We show them the pretty house
Oh, we're
there.
not singing around here.
And I was
Not singing around here.
Not for them
You don't know
Steve.
how.
Yeah.
A pretty house.
And then see,
Yeah.
every day we have a vibe.
Yeah, man, I know the thing now. Just come from American circus, so you don't know.
Later one, sorry, will be here. Where you watch? Let me see.
Jamaica Good Life.
You start streaming? You should watch Jamaica Good Life.
Which episode is?
Episode 1 you watch. So everybody that sees you tune in. Jamaica Good Life. Oh yeah, chef. Which way you cook? When can forward?
Anytime. Good Life.
Yeah, I want to take your number. I'm definitely forward. Come over the kitchen and show me what I go on. Yeah.
Good Life.
So which part of Asia them can find you?
Big tree, fella one stop.
I'm forward over there. I'll take your number and I will leave you. I'll show me the shop. I want to see where you go on. Chef.
My own was my boy, you know, tribute for like me. I said, well, you man, say her flow. I hear me, no man. Just get some ice and some water and just crush out that. Take me and spin it, kill me and cramp.
Judge, it's a good life, Spencer.
And I just put him in it, man, and bath him inside of the cold water. Take him out and dry him off. Rub him up with some alcohol. And give him a peg of garlic, tell him to choke that and swallow that. Wrap up yourself. And make me tell something. The morning you get up and look from yourself, that feel good, you know. That's why I said, John, you a garlic kind thing, you hear something. All the tablets doctor give you no bad like garlic. Best antibiotic.
So Spencer, we say good for flu?
Yeah man, good for flu man.
What?
Garlic, a peg of garlic, good for flu, just choke that and swallow that. About 15 minutes you wait for it. You just drink orange juice after. You go burn in your throat, you know, but you don't pay that no mind, and something hurt you.
Yeah.
I burn out the cold and flu and everything out of your body.
So you try that already, you know, what even though we never tried it one time I have flu.
Try it man and then you will see the for line I tell man. Everybody stinky flu man.
So from me a youth you try them things?
From me a youth that me eat all the while. When time me feel anything like them they come from me just chew a peg of garlic. I'm done with them.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
One peg of garlic.
One peg of garlic man, you're good to go man. That kind of want to see man like you.
Yeah, because back in the days when time in your youth days, you never used to really like use the pill.
No, I just bush.
Bush.
I just bush. Only the same you go pick certain bush and you just pick bush and just come and then boil that and give you.
Yeah.
Thing leave you man. You're strong again to go man.
Yeah.
Yeah man. My own body stay man. Good man, die and gone still.
What's that? You're not shy, you know. You're not shy. So I'm going. What's your name? Tell them your name. Introduce yourself.
Navlet. My name is Navlet. Good.
Navlet. You're not ready for that. Navlet gone global now. Because I say you act like you're well young.
No, I'm not away to me.
Yeah, 16.
Yeah, that's
61. It's a 61. Come see how all up flyers like. Yeah, promoter.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
good friend. Good metro.
Good. Yeah. Yeah, go on. We'll catch you again later and then.
Where you have?
How we are?
Come out bright and pretty.
How we are promote? Let's see where you promote, auntie.
Them?
Yeah.
At the bashment, the civil.
Yeah, go party.
Yeah. Party girl is big man, real big man. My dress very good.
Alright. Yeah.
Man, watch everything.
The ship and the boat dock
Harden, your pot a sell off. So now say your pot a sell off.
Body, no. You taste food when me a cook.
You see that then?
See it, yeah?
See there, the boat, the boat.
Just land.
The chef.
The chef, land. Look, nobody can time pot like Follower. Look, Follower just reach. Follower reach on the patch. See my mackerel here? Mackerel and dumpling and my yam. You know the thing, because I'm not eating chicken and I'm not eating chicken back. Me and Ghetto style. See it here? My mackerel and rare. See there? Strip land.
That's why the saying can't receive God. When the visiting wants to no God, no God.
See there? Good life. The chef from Melcha. So you don't know where come check out the restaurant. You hear me? Oh, brown stew chicken back mixed with chicken. Some yam and banana. You know? Go like real lifestyle. Yeah.
Hello, Red Man River Sky.
Yes, so I go on. And no, I'm not even can eat right now. Just I go brush off my little tree dumplings. See it from the plain land.
See this?
I'm not even touch nothing.
Yeah.
You see what I go on? Yeah, man.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must. Then, after you're done with that, it says 172 videos here. So in Season 2, we really have 172 videos. Find the playlist. Now,